they showed underneath a sheet. One looked like a van of some sort.
Sure.
On top of the Cybertruck in the truck area, and then that possible third generation car at the extreme end of that one slide, you saw just a smaller car with a white sheet over it. When Franz von Holzhausen, who's the chief designer, mentioned that we're not going to show you the car today, there was kind of audible gasps and boos, slight gasps in the audience, because people are like, what? That's what we're here for.
Yeah. Right.
So
amazing.
I'm not sure if they last second didn't want to show it, or who knows what's going on, but they...
Tesla has a new plan, and this time it's about EVs. This recent information from Tesla will have investors imagining how interesting the next couple of years can be for the car company.
What about Mexico, the new plant that they announced there that is located there? How critical is that just in terms of Tesla diversifying its supply chain and really getting ahead of any potential types of issues?
Well, also it's about a sub $30,000 car. I mean, you're not getting a sub $30K car if that's being built in Europe or Austin. And I think it's sort of carrot and the stick. That's what everyone's waiting for here. But because to get to, as you talk about, some of the longer term goals, you need to be mass market, you need to be sub 30,000. But then I think the big debate going into next week is margins. Like, what do margins look like? We believe at least this quarter they'll be able to sort of toe the line in the sand. But if you continue to get significant price cuts, look, that's the work. Look, I think we're going to get more price cuts. I think they're containable. But I think, especially in China, that's really right now the biggest variable.
Despite the growing competition in the EV industry, one thing remains a fact, and that is that no one is anywhere close to Tesla in terms of creating innovative solutions that are tailored to achieving sustainable energy. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, and the automaker is putting in the work by hiring the world's best and brightest people to help make this future a reality. Every Tesla is designed to be the safest, quickest car in its class, with industry-leading safety, range, and performance, and its upcoming electric vehicles will be no exception. If you're a fan of EVs, then these soon-to-be-released cars from Tesla are going to blow your mind. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. In its recently disclosed master plan, Tesla once again shows that it has plans for its EV business that are far beyond what people can see right now. The automaker stated that electric vehicles are approximately 4 times more efficient than internal combustion engine vehicles, due to higher powertrain efficiency, regenerative braking capability, and optimized platform design. According to Tesla, in an electrified economy with sustainably generated energy, most of the upstream losses associated with mining, refining, burning fuels to create electricity are eliminated, as are the downstream losses associated with non-electric end users. Tesla further stated that the comparison between EVs and ICEs also holds true across passenger vehicles, light-duty trucks, and Class 8 semis, all of which are included in Tesla's plan for the future. What would this mean for the automaker? Keep watching to find out. But before we get into it, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. The primary objective for Tesla's third master plan is to forecast electricity demand in a fully electrified economy without fossil fuels, to create a cost-effective electricity generation and storage portfolio, and to determine the materials needed and manufacturing investments required to enable such an economy. Tesla shared its intention to develop commercial and passenger vans, and a bus, all powered by sustainable battery technology. In addition, the company outlined specific battery pack sizes for these upcoming vehicles, such as passenger vans with a 100 kWh high nickel pack and the Tesla bus with a 300 kWh LFP pack. The Master Plan Part 3 focused on 7 vehicle fleet categories, including compact and mid-size cars, large cars, and SUVs, as well as pickup trucks, commercial vehicles, buses, and heavy-duty trucks. Tesla has released vehicles in 4 out of 7 of these categories, and plans to release 3 new cars under the compact vehicle segment in the commercial passenger/van market, and a battery electric bus. The Tesla master plan also has a broad focus on clean electricity generation and storage, as well as related manufacturing costs. Tesla outlined its vision for transitioning the United States and the world toward a sustainable future powered by clean electricity generation sources. Its analysis claims that a sustainable energy economy is technically feasible and would require less investment and material extraction than the current unsustainable energy system. The plan pushes the boundaries of thinking about material intensity, manufacturing capability, and investment required for a worldwide transition across all energy sectors. Tesla's Master Plan Part 3 teases a new direction for the company with its next-generation platform. The automaker's new adventure will likely feature some challenging obstacles, more meme-worthy moments from Elon Musk, and more fun for Tesla investors and supporters. While Tesla didn't announce any information about its upcoming compact EV at the Investor Day event on March 1st, it appears that a much-anticipated teaser has finally been revealed. 2 new EVs were shown under wraps as part of Tesla's Master Plan Part 3 presentation that appeared on the automaker's website. The features of the new 2 Tesla EVs were placed right next to the Cybertruck, suggesting that their unveiling could be imminent. The Master Plan report covers a wide range of topics, including energy storage, transportation, investments, mineral use, heat pumps, electrification of industrial heating, recycling, and the electrification of boats and planes. This plan has provided insight into the company's vision for a sustainable future with a diversified fleet of electric vehicles. Tesla disclosed a number of cars that it intends to manufacture in the near future, including a compact car with a 53 kilowatt-hour battery pack, a Tesla van, large sedans, SUVs and trucks, Tesla bus, and the Tesla Semi. This marks the first time Tesla has openly discussed plans for vans and buses in its future lineup. The idea of a Tesla bus may make sense, considering that the car company has stated that they've started manufacturing and delivering of the heavy-duty battery electric truck, the Semi. The Tesla Semi's availability on the market hints that Tesla has solved certain constraints, including battery constraint issues that prevented it from delivering heavy-duty vehicles. Reacting to this, Tesla investor Dave Lee shared some insights on his channel about what that could mean from these vehicles. According to him, the total addressable market for Tesla's compact car is up to 42 million vehicles. And if Tesla is able to get up to 25% of this market, then it could be around 10.5 million vehicles annually. He also added that the Tesla compact EV platform could include the Robotaxi, which is Tesla's autonomous taxi vehicle. He further added that the Tesla van is a clear sign that the automaker is aiming for this market. Lee stated that the TAM for the Tesla van is around 10 million vans per year, while the market for the Tesla bus is at around 1 million buses annually. Therefore, if Tesla does truly want to reach 20 million vehicles by the end of the decade, then it has to be able to deliver a fair quantity of each of these cars that it has unveiled. Tesla cars are already winning, and there's no doubt that these new ones will make incredible sales upon hitting the market. By comparing Tesla cars to other EVs, one would realize why the automaker will keep dominating the industry. For the longest time, if anyone wanted an electric car, then the obvious choice would be a Tesla. Toyota, the world's largest car company by sales, recently rolled out its first mass-market electric car, the BZ4X SUV. Comparing Tesla's Model Y, which has benefited from several market price cuts this year, and the BZ46, both of which are comparable in terms of price. The Toyota starts at $42,000, with the Tesla clocking in at $46,990. However, by subtracting the $7,500 tax credit, which Tesla does qualify for, then that leaves the car's price at about $40,000. All Model Ys have all-wheel drive, while users need to pay around $2,000 extra to get that in the Toyota BZ4X. The Toyota's got an EPA rating of 252 miles, with the Model Y long range earning 330 miles, with the base model getting 279. Although EPA ratings don't translate perfectly to real-world conditions, they do hint at what a customer can expect. Toyota slows charging speeds to preserve the longevity of its battery packs, a feature which is not so desirable for its users. One of the Model Y's strengths is interior space. Tesla's figured out a way how they can take advantage of electrification to maximize passenger and cargo room. The Model Y offers up to 76.2 cubic feet of cargo space, while the BZ4X comes in at 56.9, and the Tesla spacious front trunk might have something to do with it. On several levels, and based on different factors, Tesla's cars are often preferred by EV users, and for most people who actually want those electric cars, they definitely go for Teslas. However, there are a few things to keep in mind with EVs. When someone buys a new car, the value will naturally decrease over time given the wear and tear on the vehicle, and as well as the mileage and age. But some recent studies have actually claimed that for some electric car owners, they could be seeing the value of the car depreciate at twice the rate of petrol cars. According to that new study, EVs on average lose 51% of their purchase value from 2020 to 2023, compared to 37% for petrol vehicles. A recent study also used a comparison of new car prices 3 years ago compared to their value now. The results show the higher the original purchase price of the car, the bigger the loss, and with the Model S losing £25,000 in value in just 3 years. Other popular cars like the Hyundai Ioniq and the BMW i3 also saw large depreciation rates as well, 67% and 64% respectively. But what do you think? Let us know down below, and if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.